Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. And the last, I do say last, and final video on the little Fiesta Ecoboost, or Ecobomb, or whatever they want to call it. People call them whatever they like. It's awesome little car. He's turned out pretty well. So without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera around. Shall I? No, actually, I'll give you guys a bit of a montage and show you what it's turned out like. I think it's pretty epic, to be honest with you. Well guys, as you just seen in that little montage and stuff, it's turned out absolutely epic. I've got to do final wipe over and stuff, but I've just spent the last couple of days giving it a good valet, making sure every single little bit is about as good as I can get it, and stuff like that. I say as good as I can get it, without spending another few weeks on doing it. With everything, you got to draw the line somewhere. And to be honest with you, if the customer's not happy with this one, I'll buy the bloody thing. It's nearly like that. I absolutely love it. I've actually fallen in love with the thing, and I fell in love with it so much with it. The colour as well. It almost reminds me of what Cosworth Imperial Blue used to be. The deepness of the colour, the purpley pearl to it, and the rest of it. Almost seriously reminds me of like old Escort Cosworth colour, and it blows me away. The colour is absolutely epic. To think when this thing turned up, it didn't look anything like that. But it's like, you just think about it. When it was here, the sides of it, all of this bit down here was all horrendous, as you can see now in a bit now. And this is what it's like now. And the same again. If you remember, the roof was like this. And now, look at it. The roof is absolutely perfect. And once again, well, no doubt you guys can remember this boot spoiler. I know Rick can, when he was sanding a lot of it down, but it was absolutely horrendous. And yeah, as you can see now, it's mint once again. Same bit of back panel, the rest of it. The rear quarter, yeah, that was fun, that one. Dents in it and everything else in it. And yeah, she's come out absolutely wonderful. A few bits of specks of dirt and stuff on it, which as I said, need to go around and finish off wiping that one off. But yeah guys, it's this little project for Wrecking Your Friday is pretty much drawn to an end, and I will actually be pretty sad to see this one go. I've actually really enjoyed doing this one, and if you guys have enjoyed it, please stick it in the comment section. Let me know if you would have done it the same way. Let me know if you would have done it a different way. Slate me work if you want. I don't really mind. I honestly do not mind. Just stick it in the comment section and tell me if I've done something wrong. You tell me that. I'm not particularly bothered. I take it all on the chin, and I learn from it at the end of the day. But yeah, she's all ready, and it's all valeted up and everything, as I said, and stuff. And the new owner's more than likely on his way down here now to come and grab it and take it away. Well, new owner? What am I on like? New owner? The owner of the vehicle is coming down to take it away. But you guys, know what I mean? One of you guys could actually be the owner of that thing there. It's an absolute epic little thing, and I've been under the instructions of the owner to turn around and tell you guys this little thing's going up for sale. So if you are interested in buying it, hit me up and smack it in the comment section, and I'll put you in touch with the owner. And it's as plain and simple as that. Or hit me up on email, Instagram. I'll put the links on the bottom and also in the description. And yeah, hit me up, guys. I will quite happily pass you over to him and see if you can sort yourself a deal with the little beauty over here. But no, I'm honestly, guys, I'm absolutely blown away with how it's come out. I really am. Absolutely over the moon. And to think my anxiety was losing the plot trying to do this one. Well, before I painted it, but now I'm back to how I used to be with paintwork. More than happy to get on with a lot of things and stuff. But if you've liked this one, guys, and you want to see more like it, then please subscribe, hit the like button, and all that lot. There's going to be more of it, hopefully. Well, let us know. So yeah, just let us know. Stick in the comments down there whether you would want to see more of this stuff. And want to see some more rebuild videos, as in, well, that's part of what the channel's called and all that, Rebuilding Salvage UK and all that. So yeah, let us know. But I've got to move on to that little thing over there next. So that'll be the next content again, is rebuilding that little thing and getting it MOT'd and gone. But there's a mission for that one. And should be quite an interesting little video coming up with that and stuff like that. So yeah, here's with that. But for now, guys, I'm gonna say goodbye to this little thing over here. Say goodbye to you, and hopefully, guys, we'll see you on the next episode. Stay safe, and see you soon.